Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Raman, and I am excited to introduce my brand new course, Git and GitHub Mastery from scratch to advanced level. First of all, I would like to thank you for joining this course. If I talk about myself, I have been teaching IT and software technology for many years now. More than 20,000 students have enrolled in my free Udemy course on object-oriented JavaScript. After receiving tremendous support and positive feedback from students around the world, I decided to create this comprehensive course on one of the most essential technology used in software industry, which is Git and GitHub. Now, if I talk about this course is for DevOps engineers, software developers, network engineer, cloud engineer, system administrator, QA engineers, students, or the beginners. Whosoever wants to manage the source code in the form of a script or in the form of some programming language. So why we need to learn Git and GitHub? It's a version control system. So you can track the changes in the code and script. You can work with your other team members and you can collaborate efficiently with the teams. You can segregate the code which is submitted by different developers. So you can manage by using branches and releases. If you are in DevOps, then it supports CI/CD pipeline and the DevOps workflow. What you will learn? You will learn Git fundamental and repository setup. So it is from the beginner to advanced level. So there is no prior knowledge of Git and GitHub is required. So I will be starting from very beginning level. We will create the local and remote repository. Local repository will be created with the Git, and remote repository we will use GitHub. We will see how branching works, what is branching strategy, and there are so many commands, there are so many use cases which we use with the branching. We will see how we can merge the code from different developer to the main branch. We will also see what is pull request and how we can do a code review. There are so many advanced topics which I will cover, like rebase, stash, cherry pick, reset and revert command to revert back your changes, merge conflict resolution, Git flow, GitHub flow, trunk-based development. So that will be more on the branching strategy, but mainly I will focus on Git flow. Others are discussed theoretically. Real world DevOps use cases, how a version control for Ansible playbooks, Terraform configuration, Kubernetes manifest, shell scripts, and automation. I'm not going to write any playbook. I'm not going to create any script for Terraform or Kubernetes. But once you walk through this course, you will, if you are a DevOps engineer and you want to manage your Ansible playbooks or Terraform configuration file or Kubernetes manifest file or shell scripting, then you will be able to manage that code. So who should enroll? If you are a developer, if you are a DevOps engineer, if you are a network engineer, cloud engineer, QA engineer, student, or the job seeker, then this course is for you. If you want to manage your source code or script, then this course is for you. When we talk about the practical portion here, so there are a lot of hands-on lab here. So practical labs and the real world examples will be discussed. Industry best practices will be discussed. And this is from beginner to the advanced level. Why you need to learn it from me? I will post uh, some demo video so you can watch that one and you can see what is my teaching style, what kind of examples I have covered, whether it is sufficient for learning Git and GitHub or not. We are having a 30 days money back in Udemy. So if you are not satisfied after certain amount of videos, then you can ask for the money back also. So, but here I will try to give you the clear explanation of each and every topic. I will show you the hands-on lab. I will focus on job-ready skills. Means I will try that whenever you are using this Git and GitHub, then if you are using on your real time or day-to-day activity to manage the source code, then how you can do that, what will be the best practice. So this is the introduction video. So if you think that Git and GitHub learning is required, then you can enroll to this course today and build your essential skills for software development and DevOps. See you inside the course. Thank you very much for watching and all the best. I'm really excited to start this course and I want you to join this. If you find this course is really meaningful for you, I will be very happy. Thank you very much.